5 best pre-built gaming PC for 2024. Number 5, Dell RGB Gaming Tower Computer. It comes with an NVIDIA GTX 1050 Ti graphics card, which means you can easily play modern esports games like Fortnite, Valorant, CSGO, and also it has 16GB of RAM and Windows 10 Pro built-in. So with that price, it's an excellent deal. Then at number 4, we have the Skytech Shadow Gaming PC desktop. It costs around $749, and with that price, it's offering a latest NVIDIA's RTX 3050 graphics card. It's a graphics card built for 1080p gaming, so you can expect to play modern games at 1080p resolution, and also it comes with 1TB NVMe SSD and a fairly decent Core i5-10400F processor. So overall, it's an excellent deal in this price. Then at number 3, we have the Skytech Shadow Gaming PC desktop. It costs around $1200, and with that price, it comes with the NVIDIA's RTX 3060 Ti graphics card. Now it's a graphics card made for entry-level 1440p gaming, a fairly modern Intel Core i5-12400F processor, which will give you excellent performance in gaming, and also it comes with Windows 11 built-in. So overall, for under $1200, it's an excellent 1440p gaming PC. Now at number 2, we have the super powerful HP Omen Gaming Premium Desktop. It costs around $1500, and it comes with a flagship grade graphics card, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080, which means you can use this PC for 4K gaming, and also it comes with a super powerful AMD Ryzen 7 5800X processor, which is an 8-core 16-thread processor, will perform excellent in streaming and productive level workload. Along with the 1TB SSD, 16GB of RAM, Windows 11 built-in, it's an excellent package in this price. And at number 1, we have the Ultimate Gaming King Alienware Aurora R15 Gaming Desktop. It costs more than $2100 and offers an excellent spec. First of all, it comes with the latest NVIDIA's RTX 4070 Ti graphics card, which is an excellent graphics card for 4K gaming, and also it comes with the Intel latest generation 13700F processor, which is an insane 16-core 24-thread processor for gaming, streaming, and productivity. This processor is an excellent choice. Not only that, it comes with latest DDR5 16GB of RAM, 500GB SSD, and 1TB hard disk, along with Windows 11 built-in, and also you will get 1 year premium support from Alienware. So overall, at this price, it's an unbeatable deal. Links to all the products will be in the description. You can check the latest pricing from there. Thanks for watching.